spend next week here at Airbnb in Bella Vita Resort in Kissimmee, Florida. We're right close to the Medieval Times, which is right across the street. So we're right in the main area of Kissimmee. So, staying in Kissimmee, this is our Airbnb. So we're going to be staying for the next week. So, come in through here. You can see, it's pretty big. It's the hallway leading into the living room. Go directly to our left, and we get into the first master bedroom. The first master bedroom is directly left off the main hall. See, plenty nice artwork, nice size TV, and it has its own ensuite washroom, double sinks, nice big mirror. We have a shower, open, walk in, high shower ceiling, toilet off the side, and a big walk-in closet. Comes with play for kids, a stroller, a high chair, extra blankets and pillows, plenty of hangers. Good sized walk-in closet. Then we come out back into the bedroom. And then the next door right after that bed is the laundry room, or laundry cabinet area. She's got a washer, dryer, ironing board, iron, hamper, light switch like it. So. And we back up and we go directly to the right from the main door. And we have the play area. Pool table, two little bar tables and chairs, pool equipment, TV, a couple microphones for karaoke, some karaoke lighting. See the lighting, air, hockey, and some sports artwork. Got a dartboard and a faux microphone here. And remote control for the seats. Step back out. Next door to the right. Locked for security. Stairways upstairs, and right past the stairs is another bedroom. Nice little kind of a pink theming. Nice light. Then connecting bath. Single sink. Toilet in here. Standard tub, standard shower, plastic, and a little window bringing some light. Also has plenty of light. In the bedroom, two little end tables on either sides, which is good. So, extra blankets In the closet, an air purifier. And a little smaller TV. Barn door dresser. And then from out here, we'll go back out. We've got tile flooring. This goes to the kitchen and living area. Pantry. We've already supplied some pantry items. Kitchen has 2 refrigerators. Both the same, identical. Ice maker. Plenty of storage area for toaster oven. Plenty of cabinets, fully stocked. Glasses. Plates, bowls. Got a microwave. Got an electric stove and oven. Cutlery, silverware, 2 coffee makers. One is a Keurig. Plenty of cabinets areas. Another coffee pot down here, so you get brew. 2 different kind of brews and a Keurig. Got a center island sink. 2 dishwashers. Under sink storage. Everything's decorated. Large dining room. 12 seats, 12. Plus we have 3 up here at the island. In the living room, got a large leather couch. Back side to side. Nice large TV. Speakers for surrounds, sound bar. A little art rack. Continue to the back, and we have another bathroom off the pool, single seat toilet, standard tub, again plastic, standard, nice high ceilings. I love the artwork. It's got the sea theme. Nice the colors. And then next to that is another bedroom. This one has a Dreams. Same smaller TV. Nice low bed, not high. And again, closet has a fan instead of air purifier. Extra blanket, plenty of hangers. And then we go outside here to the pool area. You get the pool, got outside dining, relax. Got a pool, screened in area, right on the lake. So we have to check every day, make sure there's no alligators or snakes in my pool. Got a hot tub. And then garbage, little plastic table, barbecue. And then that's the first floor. Now we'll go back through the living and dining room area, the kitchen, to go to the stairs to the second floor. Train, got train pictures here on the wall. Again, real high ceilings. So come upstairs, get to the top of the stairs. We got a little cinema ticket artwork, and then we have the bathroom right at the top of the stairs. So here's the stairs, go right into the upstairs bathroom. This is just a half bath, toilet, single seat, Then we're going to go to the right into a common area. Got gaming table, chairs, some nice artwork, Maryland. Then we got the theater. Got 6 reclining seats. Big, large TV for movies. Some movie popcorn theming. And the view, got darkened drapes and shades. Get a nice view of the neighbor's house and their pool. Then we'll go back where we came up the stairs. And we'll go to the first bedroom to the right, off the gaming area. Nice big room. Artwork, plenty of pillows. A closet, standard closet. This one doesn't come with any fan or purifier. Extra blanket, plenty of hangers. Then we got the bathroom, single seat, some amenities. Shower, standard shower, just like down. Again, real high ceilings, plastic. Standard TV. Again, 2 end tables, which is nice. We go and take the direct right to the other side of Maryland here, into another bedroom. This one's a little bit bigger, I think. Like bicycle, nice artwork, another standard TV, nice drawers, 2 end tables again. Our standard closet. And its connecting bath. Same as the others. This is the mirror image of the other room. I really like how high the ceilings are. And back to the gaming room out of this bedroom. I'm going to go to another right. And this is double bunks. Minion themed. See Minions. Nice. Got drawer underneath. Dresser. I get all Minions. Little TV set. This window here will look out over the lake. Okay. So check out morning sunrises from this room. Has walk-in closet in this level. Blanket. And the knits bath, again Minion themed. It's definitely for the kids. Same standard bath. Okay, come out. Then we're going to take a right to where the theater is. On this side, another kids themed. Got Mickey and Minnie. Got Disney. Mickey's everywhere. And we have a sofa in here, so you can actually, this will fold down into another bed. Nice, very Disney-esque. Right down to the sheets and pillows. Again, another good view out over the lake. So you can see the lake. You can see good sunrise coming through this side. And then on this side, it's got the more standard closet. Very nice room. And again, now we'll go to the other side. We'll go back to the stairs. Here's the stairs. And we're going to take an immediate left. We got your air unit right here. And then we got a nice big bedroom here. A little larger TV set. Chair, which is good. Some more contemporary type artwork. Again, 2 end cables. It's really nice when they come with 2 end tables. Sometimes you only get one. Then over here, get the view of across the street. This will be the sunset side of the house, but it'll be setting over those houses. Won't get a good view of the sun actually setting. Then we got the bath. Got the sink. Some nice artwork. Single toilet, standard bath. And this is connected to the large upstairs bedroom here. I like the lighting. The lighting is nice. Then out of that, again, here's a stairway. We're going to go direct to this left. The closet has a lock on it, so it's more, and we've got a locked room at the end. It's for the house owners. So it's, and then here we got another bedroom. Again, there's a large TV, 2 windows, large bed, nice artwork, another chair, nice dresser, and then a big bath, double sink. So this is an upstairs master. 2 sinks. The toilet is kind of mirrors the one downstairs. Big walk-in closet, air purifier, extra blanket, shower, door, walk in, tile, not plastic, nice, just like the master downstairs. And that's, yeah. So, get a little straight here. That's our tour of where we're going to be staying for the next week. I hope you got something out of it. Looking forward to a week of relaxation.